What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over ADA. Cardano, currently sitting at 65 cents. We're up 17% in the last 24 hours. Market cap 23.5 billion. 24-hour volume is 2.42 billion. So if we pop into the chart, we put in our wave 4 pullback that we were looking for. We bounced from the zone. Now we're pushing up to wave 5. Just so you know, any break above the wave 3 can complete the 5, which we've already done. But the normal target, excuse me, is the 61.8. And because we're in a bull market, it can explode and overextend at any time. But the target you're looking for is 74 cents, and that will be the first 5 waves off the low. You see a larger wave 2 pullback before continuation back to the upside. We have a beautiful double bottom here on the weekly chart. As you can see, we're about to print the bullish cross on the weekly, buy and go to the beach, as Coins Kid would say. And as you can see right here, there's the bullish cross on the weekly chart right there. And that was the start of the absolutely insane, massive bull market. So you can see this? See how we just shot up? See how it's starting here? Exact same thing. So this is what we can expect for our friend Cardano to break this double bottom and head up to the technical target, which will take you all the way up to about $1.40. So that's what I'm looking at for Cardano. It's looking good. If you want completely free access to my trading group of over 3,000 members, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many coins, my trade signals for crypto and Forex, and one of our members is giving signals all day long. You can gain access completely for free. All you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. Once you sign up, takes 30 seconds, send me an email, and I'll give you completely free access for life to my Discord, which includes my VIP rooms, as well as our member who's posting trades all day long. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash that like button. Make sure to join to Bitfinex to gain free access if you want to. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.